Okay, recap for today. So I got the lower control arm on with the spring. The springs are hard to work with, but I got it. So I haven't torqued anything down yet. Those are on. Got the bolts on for the control arm. So that's done. And then the other side, as soon as the other arm comes in, that other arm painted, cleaned up. And then I got the back brake lines fairly clean. I'm gonna take it home and try to soak this spring here, which is not coming loose. I can't get it to spin, um, just so that I know that it's clean behind it. And then the other brake line is doing not too bad. It's painted but clean, but getting there. And I got all the springs to move and turn, so when I move the spring, it's nice and clean. See what the spring was right. See where spring was right there, and you move it, and it's nice and clean underneath. So that is good. So I still have, all that to de-goop and all the rest. So still quite a bit of rust. I'm getting clean spots. And then the the steering box, I got that taken apart. I got all the parts here in the bag. I'm taking them home. I'm going to soak them. Same with the housing. So I got the housing all mostly cleaned out. And so I'll soak that. Sun. There we go. And let's see here. So there's the bearing housing there, and then right here is a seal that I took out. And then here, there is looks like a seal, a rubber seal here, and it's a type of cap of some sort, and then another sleeve there. So I'll get this soak it, see how clean I can get it, and that's it. That's all I did today. So, all right.